In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Freshdesk account effortlessly and without any hassle. Whether you're moving on to a new platform or simply reevaluating your current needs, canceling your Freshdesk account can be a straightforward process when you know the right steps to follow. Let's dive into this process and ensure it's as smooth as possible for you. First and foremost, let's talk about preparation. Before you even attempt to cancel your Freshdesk account, you must ensure you have the right privileges. You need to be the account administrator to proceed with the cancellation. Without these privileges, the option to cancel simply won't be visible to you. So double-check your access rights to make sure everything's in order. Next, it's crucial to export your account data before initiating the cancellation. This step is vital because Freshdesk deletes all account data after a certain period, and you wouldn't want to lose any essential information. Bear in mind, this data is permanently deleted, and the process could take up to 10 business days. So, having a backup is always a smart move before proceeding further. Now that you're prepped, let's move on to the actual cancellation process. Begin by logging into Freshdesk with your account administrator credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate your way to the Admin section. From there, head into Account, and then click on Account Details. In this area, you'll find the Account Status section. Go ahead and click on Cancel Account. At this point, you'll need to choose a reason for your cancellation, and then click on Request Cancellation. A confirmation pop-up will appear, and you'll need to confirm your decision. After completing these steps, you might wonder what happens next. Well, once you've requested cancellation, your account will be suspended within 24 hours. It's important to remember that all your data will be permanently deleted 14 days after your subscription ends or after your cancellation request. This gives you a window of time to reconsider your decision if needed. Interestingly enough, if you do change your mind within that 14-day window, there is a way to reactivate your account. You just need to reach out to customer support by contacting their support email to reverse the cancellation process. But remember, you have to do this before those 14 days pass. Otherwise, you might lose all access to your previous data and settings. And there you have it, the entire process of canceling your Freshdesk account. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll have no trouble managing this transition. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this has made things clearer for you. Don't hesitate to reach out with any further questions you might have.